Hello, my name is Ibrahim Montazeri, and this is the presentation for Persuasive Technology Design Project. The name of my project is WiseKid website. The purpose of the project is designing a website to help kids gain important life skills and good habits such as self-control and healthy life traits. Intended users are kids and teens aged 8 to 14. Many research showed the importance of life skills in the kids' future life success. This is the task flow analysis for Lisa, who is a 46-year-old mom. She tries to create an account for herself and then for her daughter. So she clicks on creating account and then comes here, and then she creates an account for herself, and then she creates an account for her daughter, and then she sets the privacy level for her daughter, and then she sets goal and prizes for her daughter. This is the task flow analysis for the persona Lily. Lily is a 12-year-old girl who is Lisa's daughter, and she tries to use the website. So she clicks the links and comes to the website, and then she goes to the dashboard. This is where she can check her prizes, badges, points, and the achievement. And then she also can check her friends' achievements and goals and prizes based on their privacy that their parents set. And then there is a matrix where she can go and she can select the goals to achieve from there. So she goes there and selects 2 goals to achieve. This is the page where Lily's mom is able to create an account for herself and then aim to create an account for her daughter by clicking this button. This is the first page of the website through the Lily's eye. Where is the dashboard? The dashboard contains 2 major parts of self-achievement and a leaderboard. The self-achievement section shows kids their scores and the badges that they earn. So the score is here, and the badges are like based the small goals that they achieved, like going through a pass where they do all the oral goals, gives them a badge like oral hygiene. The other section of the dashboard would be the social part. Their kids are able to check their partner's goals and the goals they achieved. This keeps kids in a competitive environment. The funniest part of the website is the goal matrix. There is a place where kids are able to select a goal. Goals appears in a matrix randomly, which gives the kids the sense of unpredictability. So there are question marks and they appear randomly. First time viewers see easy and small goal in the matrix. Elementary goals according to Fox behavioral grid are one-time achievements. Later, depending on the path each kid has taken, harder goals appears on the matrix. This way, using persuasive feature of tunneling, we take kids through different stages of Fox behavioral grid. For example, the first time kid refers to the matrix, the kid would be asked to do a habit just one time. Once he or she is done with the task, another task appears which will ask the kid to do it for a certain period of time. Based on the achievement, kids gain points and they go through path all the way to the end of the end to establish a habit in themselves. They would earn a badge which will be shown on the dashboard page along with the total points once they're done with all small goals. So as we see here, there is a floss just once tonight, which is just one-time goal, and this is read one book weekly for 1 month, which appeared after she has done reading one non-fiction book here. So children get stickers based on the small goals, and then get badges once they go through a set of the goals. Through this project, I learned designing for kids is more tricky regarding their privacy and sensitive nature, and through this course I learned how to approach better designing change in the real world or through a technology. Thank you for listening to my presentation.